Hi everybody. So today we will be learning about weaving analysis. So how the design is created, how the draft and the lifting plan is created. So come, let's start. Okay. So here let's start. So this is our sheet. I did that, I'll explain it. Take a plain sheet and teach you how it is done. Okay? Yeah. So now all of you, so this is a plain weave that we had created in the last class, that is one up, one down, one up, one down, we had done it. So to get this design, how do we create the weave plan? Okay, so what we have to do first is we need to make a box. Okay, so this box is done on a textile graph sheet, which I'll be giving it to you when you come to college. Okay, so let's make 8 by 8 box. Okay, so we'll take 8 by 8 as a plan. 8 by 8 you can take, 10 by 10 you can take. Okay, so it's like the even numbers. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We'll also make another 2 boxes, 9 and 10. So let me use a scale. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I'll have 2 more rows here. So once this box is done, then we can create the design. Okay, yeah, our 10 by 10 box is done. Now let me do the design. So now we can take it as X is a warp thread or a warp yarn, plain. Okay, it can be a plain box. This can be a box with X. So this is a weft yarn. Okay, so this is our 2 things. So now what we are supposed to do is we have to create the design now. So let's start with the first one. So here I will indicate that this is a warp yarn. Okay, and next after that I will make another box here. Okay, so this is my next warp. Then leave one more, leave one more. Okay, so this is the section. So now exactly what happens is, if this is one repeat, okay, so here one up, one down. Okay, one up, one down, one up, one down, one up, one down, one up. Okay, yeah. Now next row, if we go, what are we supposed to do? Here one down. Okay, down means the warp thread is going down, the weft thread is coming up. So here I'm going to put an X. Then one down, then again up. Wherever I'm telling up, it is your warp thread coming up. Okay, then it's going down, then up, then down, then up. I hope you are understanding it. Now if I come to this part, here it is up, then it has to go down here, the warp thread, then it comes up, down, up, down, up, down and up. Okay, the same way we need to repeat the same design. So now this part you are seeing, this section, this is your 2 by 1. Okay, so it is one aspect and this keeps repeating all over. Now let me continue this and continue this. Okay, so here one up, one down, one up, one down, one up, one down. Okay, எத்தனை கிரிட் பாக்ஸ் பேப்பர் இது கிராஃப் ஷீட்டா நீ சொல்கிறது?
இந்த மாதிரி
இருக்கா பாரு. இந்த எத்தனை
நேரம் கிட்ட இருக்கா? நான் போய் எத்தனை
Okay, so now after this design is done, we are going to do the draft. Okay, so how is draft done and how is the lifting plan done? Okay, so before I start doing the draft, I'll teach you why is it done. So now just imagine that this is a heeled shaft. What do you mean by heeled shaft? It is a device on your loom, okay, your hand loom or power loom. So these are your reeds, okay, small needles with holes in between. So here what happens, you are going to thread the warp threads. So now this, how do we plan the thread intersection? Okay, so the thread will go like this and come out like this, go like this and come out like this. So this is how you will be inserting the warp threads, needling it into this. So the heel shaft will have two aspects, okay, that is the heddles. So these heddles again they will lift, okay, so that the shuttle will move in between. So this is called as a shuttle. So in that shuttle you will have a bobbin, in this you will have your weft yarns. Okay, so you have two heddles which will automatically, according to a plan, they will lift open and then this will intersect in the interweaving. So this is called as your drafting and the lifting plans. So now we have to plan out the design here. So now if you see this section, okay, so here I will write 1 and 2. Here for the lifting plan, for the two heel shaft and the heddles to lift up, okay, so it is 1 and 2. Now if you see here I have 1 up, that is 1 warp thread is there, so I will just write 1x here. Next if you see here there is an empty box, the empty box is your weft thread that is coming up, so we will leave that here as it is. Now if I come here, there is an warp thread coming here, okay, so I will just write x here again. Okay, so my first row is done. Now I will come to the second row, that is third and fourth. So in the third and fourth, if you see, the same thing will repeat. Now I'll get 1 warp thread here, 1 weft thread here. So here if I go after my warp thread, I'm going to get 1 weft thread here, so I'm going to leave it blank. Then I'm going to put an X here. The same way it will continue. So 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up. After that, here if I come, you can see the 6th row here. there is a blank box here, there is an X here, so I will do the same thing. That's it. So it is going to be very, very simple. So this is your drafting plan. Now this arrow mark comes here and this arrow mark comes here. So this is one header, this is one part. Okay, how it is going to lift. Now here if I see, I'll come here again. So first one I have an X, I'll put an X here. Okay, now second box I don't have anything, so I'm not going to put anything because that indicates your weft. Okay, after that, next when I go here, so again here there is a blank space, that is your weft thread indication, this is your warp thread indication, so I'll put here. Again it's going to continue. Third row, again an X, here there is nothing. Fourth row, there is a box empty, I'm going to put here. So this is how it is going to be. Just check the box here, check the up and down factor and put here. So if you come here this way also, it is going to be the same. One is here. So you can check here also and you can check this portion also. So it is going to be an easy work. Second, fourth, sixth, eighth and the 10th. So this is your drafting, lifting plan of a plain weave design.